Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to be showing you how to download Zengo wallet application on your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to download Zengo wallet application on your iPhone, the first thing to do is to make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection, whether it is your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. Once you are done with it, go and tap open your app store. Soon after you do that, tap the search button in the bottom right hand corner and in the search box that appears at the top, type in Zengo wallet and search. You'll be able to see the application displayed on the next page. Once the app we are supposed to download, tap the download button in order to begin with the downloading process and you'll be able to see your download progress right away. Wait until the app gets downloaded and you'll be able to operate the application right away without any kind of a problem. Zengo is a keyless crypto wallet. It is a simple and secure crypto wallet which can be used to manage and track a cryptocurrency portfolio in one place. You can easily buy Shiba, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin and much more other cryptocurrencies with a simple tap on Zengo wallet. Once the application gets downloaded, you can see an open button popping up right beneath the app. Simply tap it on in order to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download Zengo wallet application for your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.